Hey everyone, the OPPO Find X10 represents a fascinating moment in the brand's evolution, where its ambitions go beyond just smartphones and start to blur the line between mobile devices and dedicated imaging tools. Even before its official debut, the context surrounding the Find X10 series already tells you a lot about what OPPO is trying to achieve. This isn't just another iterative flagship, but part of a broader ecosystem play centered around imaging innovation. At its core, the Find X10 continues OPPO's long-standing obsession with camera technology. Over the past few generations, the company has consistently pushed computational photography, sensor optimization, and hardware-assisted stabilization, and with this model, that focus appears to deepen even further. The rumored development of a dedicated handheld gimbal camera project, internally referred to as Fuyao, is especially important here because it suggests that OPPO sees imaging not just as a feature, but as a standalone category. In practical terms, this translates into a device that likely prioritizes camera performance as one of its defining strengths. OPPO has already experimented with sensor shift stabilization and advanced AI imaging pipelines in previous models, and the Find X10 feels like the natural continuation of that trajectory. The integration between hardware stabilization and software processing is where OPPO typically shines, delivering photos and videos that feel polished without being overly artificial. Design-wise, OPPO tends to favor sleek, premium builds with a strong emphasis on ergonomics, and there's little reason to expect anything different here. However, what's more interesting is how the design might subtly adapt to support its imaging ambitions. OPPO has shown a willingness to experiment with unconventional layouts and materials, and the Find X10 may continue that trend in ways that reinforce its identity as a creator-focused device. Performance and software are expected to remain flagship grade, but they serve more as enablers rather than the main attraction. OPPO's strength in supply chain management and vertical integration could allow it to optimize this ecosystem in ways that traditional camera companies might struggle to match. What makes the Find X10 particularly compelling is the timing. The handheld smart camera market is growing rapidly, with gimbal cameras leading that expansion. By aligning a flagship smartphone launch with a new category of imaging devices, OPPO is positioning itself to capture both markets simultaneously. This strategy could redefine how users think about content creation, turning the smartphone into the control center for a wider range of creative tools, rather than just a standalone device. Of course, there are still uncertainties. Entering a market dominated by experienced camera manufacturers is not trivial, and success will depend on execution, pricing, and how well OPPO differentiates its products. There's also the question of whether consumers actually want a separate handheld camera when smartphones are already so capable. But if OPPO can create a seamless experience that genuinely enhances content creation, it could carve out a meaningful niche. Overall, the OPPO Find X10 feels less like a single product and more like the opening move in a larger strategy. It represents a shift toward integrated imaging ecosystems where smartphones, accessories, and AI-driven software all work together. If OPPO gets it right, the Find X10 won't just be remembered as another flagship. It could mark the point where the boundaries between smartphones and dedicated cameras start to fade in a very real way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.